Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Amber Beauty Fashion. So viewers, how are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. So friends, today I am showing all hit and trendy ideas. So I must suggest to you watch this video till the end. You will find all trendy ideas in our videos. I will try my best to show you all new ideas. So viewers, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Friends, after clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos. You will never miss my videos and any collection of my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends and family members. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching my videos from my channel. Can I help you? You can get ideas. Take care of yourself. See you soon with new collection, new ideas. We will be right back. Thanks for watching.